In this video, we will show you how to send location in WhatsApp. Maybe you are difficult to send location on WhatsApp because WhatsApp is automatically detect our places or our position. How you can send the location. Okay, there is two method how you can send the location on WhatsApp rather than to send the nearby place. Okay, in here, when you want to try to send the location, WhatsApp automatically detect the nearby place or your place. Okay. To send location, basically just click this and select this location. And this is if we use our location. Okay. This is our location. And the next question is how we can send another location rather than our position. Okay, for example, here we will send the some location, not our location. To do that, just click this and select location. This is the first method. Okay, after you click the location, just type the location that you want to share. Okay, you can find by places. For example, I will send this place Tunto. Okay, I will then scroll down. Okay, I will back in here. Just scroll down in here. For example, you need to send the location Tonto Natural Bridge. Okay, just click this. Now you can send the location, not your current position. Okay, this is the first. And the second, for example, we can using Google Maps. Okay, just open your Google Maps. For example, here we want to select or to send the location Tonto National Park. So you can just click this, okay, and type Tonto National Park, okay, or Tonto National Forest, okay, in the Arizona. And after that, after you find this location, just move this to the left, move this to the left like this, and click share. After that, you can select your WhatsApp. Okay, just click more. After you click more, select WhatsApp here. After that, you can just select the people that you want to send the location and click this. Okay, now you can click send, and that's how you can share the location from WhatsApp application using your current location or outside from your location. Hope this video helpful for you.